Biafra Liberation Army and resistance fighters, they say they don't give Nigerian army woto today. No be small thing, no. And they say this video one show you now, say that internet they no go gree show you this one. As it dey hot, this update is coming from Simon Ekpa, the Biafra Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile. No be small thing, no. Mo go find out how this thing take happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If you don't know the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebene Kwezioku. I know say you never give this channel a follow. What are you waiting for? We dey here, they bring you back to back update as it dey hot. May you quickly give this channel a follow. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update as it dey hot. Yeah, my wonderful people. No be small thing, no. The video where Simon Ekpa upload today. He said that this is what Nigeria government will never show you. He said that the woto where they give Biafra, where Biafra army they give Nigeria military and Nigeria army as it dey hot. I will go like more, we go play the videos, may you watch, and before we come back and continue, I beg we go mute the video because of the sound where they inside. They go against so many communities, so you know good where we say we will upload video, they go still bring them down. So we go mute the video, may you watch. If you want to watch the real video, go to our Twitter, our space, and go and watch it over there. Yeah, my people, welcome back. As you don watch that video, this na the update wey PM wey be Simon Ekpa, Biafra government in exile, na update this. E dey tell us say the Nigeria government and their military no go show us this part. Say na woto wey dey give Nigeria army for that side. Say a lot of things are going on as in dey talk right now. No be small thing. No, we dey here to dey update you back to back as e dey hot. Abeg, may you let us know what you think for comment section, and may you try to share this video so that other people go know wetin dey go on. As e dey hot they say this woto promise na dey go on now they call am say they collect for that area. He say that they collect. He say the way that they give them, the way that they collect, nah, I can't say now. Wow, that means say the war don't become another thing. But we will never see this thing for other big channel. But however, we dey here to update you people as e dey hot. May you try to share this video and make sure say they follow this page and also subscribe to this channel. Very important, as we dey here to update you back to back as e dey hot. Okay, my people, we'll quickly, this one a sharp update. We'll quickly see you for the next update as e dey hot.